Standard 8 Maths Chapter 7 Variation Practice Set 7.2. The information about numbers of workers and numbers of days to complete a work is given in the following table. Complete the table. Now see, this is practice set 7.2. Before we did variation, it was direct variation in 7.1 and 7.2 is based on inverse variation. So how we must come to know inverse variation? कैसे पहचानेंगे कि ये inverse variation है? See, in your textbook page number 37, this example is given. See, these are some of the value. Now, यहाँ पे देखो 40 है and it is 10. So, ये कम हो रहा है, 40 से 10 बन रहा है. It is reducing. Okay. And yeah, उसका जो opposite है 6. This is your x and this is your y. So, x is 40 and y is 6. So, when you see next वाला, तो यहाँ पे ये कम हो गया, x कम हो गया, but y बढ़ गया. So, whenever you see this interchange कि x is getting less, reduction and y is increasing, तो this kind of sum is said to be inverse variation. यहाँ पे देखो वापस ये x बढ़ रहा है, हाँ ये बढ़ रहा है और y कम हो रहा है, घट रहा है. ओके, सी यहाँ से कम हो गया. सो ये इन्वर्स वेरिएशन बताता है. फिर यहाँ पे x कम हो गया बट y बढ़ गया. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ टर्म इज सेड टू बी इन्वर्स वेरिएशन. दूसरी बात, इन इन्वर्स वेरिएशन ना x और y को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एक कांस्टेंट प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. यहाँ पे देखो 40 इंटू 6 करोगे यू विल गेट 240. सो एनीथिंग इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पे देखो यू हैव 10 इंटू 24 सो 240. यू हैव 24 इंटू 10 240. सी एवरीवेयर k इज कॉन्स्टेंट. 12 इंटू 20 12 to the 24, 240. 8 into 30, 8 3 is 24, 0. So see, k is constant. Okay. So multiplication, whenever you have x into y is equals to k, this is a equation. Okay, ये equation है to find out inverse variation value. तो if you find k constant, so that is said to be a equation. आपको x या y कुछ एक ढूंढने के लिए अच्छा डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन, दिस इज इनवर्स वेरिएशन. डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन में क्या होता है, ये प्रोडक्ट में कांस्टेंट होता है ना. डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन में डिवीजन में कांस्टेंट होता है, यानी ये वैल्यू जब भी आप डिवाइड करोगे सो अपॉन में सेम आएगा, इसमें नहीं आएगा बिकॉज दिस इज इनवर्स वेरिएशन. सो बट whenever you are doing direct variation, you have to see ये x upon y has same value for every given term. So now let's see here. They have asked complete the table. Here they have not mentioned that whether this is inverse or variation or direct variation. We have to find out. But we know this practice set 7.2 is completely on inverse variation. इसमें के सारे sums inverse variation के ऊपर है. Now see, they have not given anything. No? So let the number of workers be x. इसको x लेंगे, इसको y लेंगे. So let the number of workers be x, okay, and days be y. So ये हमारा x हो गया and ये y हो गया. So अच्छा, इन्वर्स वेरिएशन का दिस इज द फॉर्म. x is directly varies to 1 upon y. So what will happen, इसको अगर हम आगे लेके जाएंगे सो ये जो 1 है ना उसको कांस्टेंट बोल देते हैं. x इज कांस्टेंट अपॉन y. फिर और आगे जाएंगे, ये y को यहाँ लेके जाते हैं और ये वेरिएशन को y is equals to k upon y, ये वेरिएशन को इक्वल टू. So further this y will go there. So now see, x multiplied by y is equals to k. This is your equation to find out the sums. So now you have equation. So by the help of this equation, what we will do, we will find the constant. So now here we have 30x and 6y equals to k. So therefore 6 3s are 18, 180 equals to k. So that is, we have x into y equals to k, that is x into y equals to 180 degree, sorry not degree, 180. यहाँ हमको k equals to 180 मिला. So therefore x into y equals to 180. 180 is constant. See 20 and 9. So अगर उसको भी चेक करेंगे, 20 and 9 equals to k. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18. So again k, that is, ये प्रूफ हो गया x into y is equals to 180. So with the help of this equation, ये constant variation का equation, we will find out value. So first sums, x we do not know and y we have 12 and k we know 180. Okay, so therefore x into y is equals to 180. This equation we will take. Then x we don't know into y we know 12 equals to 180. So x is equal to 180 upon 12. So when we do division, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 and 3 6 are 18. 3 zeros are 0. Okay. Then 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4, 2 remaining. 4 5s are 20. So therefore x is equals to 15. Okay. So first blank will be 15. Now second, 10. X is 10 and days we don't know. So second, x equals to 10, y equals to blank and k we know 180. So therefore x into y equals to 180, 10 into y equals to 180, y equals to 180 upon 10. So 0 0 cancel, that means y equals to 18. So here another answer is 18. Now the last one, we have y 36. So third one, x equals to, we don't know, y equals to 36 and k equals to 180. So therefore x into y equals to 180, we know constant. So x into y 36 equals to 180, x equals to 180 upon 36. So this is table of 6. 6 is a 36, 6 3 is a 18, 0, 6 1 is 6, 6 5 is a 30. So x is equals to 5. So the third blank, x is equals to 5. Okay. Second subheading, find constant of variation and equation of variation. So this is the question. P varies inversely 1 upon q. If p, value of p is 15, then value of q is 4. So solution, how to solve. वी नो दैट हमें दिया गया है P इज इन्वर्सली वेराइज टू 1/Q. So where P, we know that 1 is equals to K upon Q. Why? Because K is constant. Constant का मतलब होता है एक particular value, one fixed value is said to be constant, which does not change. Now this Q, when we take toward this side, P into Q is equals to K. Okay, so P into Q is equals to K. So therefore P is given 15, Q is given 4 equals to K. So now 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 and the 4, 5, 6. 60 is equals to K. So therefore K is equals to 60. Okay. तो उन्होंने पूछा कांस्टेंट ऑफ वेरिएशन. सो ये जो वैल्यू है K का वैल्यू, दैट इज सेड टू बी कांस्टेंट ऑफ वेरिएशन. ओके. एंड ये K कैसे आता है? P इंटू क्यू. करेक्ट. दिस P इंटू क्यू. तो P इंटू क्यू हम K लिखते हैं. K का वैल्यू क्या आया? 60. सो ये जो अभी आया, दिस इज सेड टू बी इक्वेशन ऑफ वेरिएशन. ओके. सो हियर this is the solution of first sums. Second question, Z varies inversely to W. So when Z is 2.5, then W is 24. So similarly we will solve this sum as we solved the first one. जैसे हमने first किया है वैसे ही करना है इसको. Z varies inversely with W. This is given to us. So therefore what 1 will become? 1 will become K, that is constant. Okay. So K is constant. So that means therefore this W, when it goes this side, Z into W is equals to K. Okay. So we know that Z is how much? 2.5 and W is how much? 24 equals to K. So therefore K is equals to, we have to multiply over here. So 24 into 2.5. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 6 and before one number decimal. यहाँ एक नंबर के पहले decimal है. 0 has no value after decimal. So 60. So here K we got 60. So this is what? Constant of variation. Constant of variation. K का जब वैल्यू मिलता है उस वैल्यू को हम ये बोलते हैं. एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ वेरिएशन, सॉरी, Z into W is equals to 60. So this is what? Equation of variation. Now let's see third sums. Third sums, x varies directly to 1/t square. See, every sums we have to go in same pattern. So first step will be, we have to show like this. Then s varies to, instead of 1 we will write constant k to t square. So therefore s into this t square is equals to k. Here k is constant. You have to mention this every time. Now value of s, we know value of s is 4 and value of t 5, but t is square. t को square में दिया है. So 5 5s are 25, 25 fours are 100. Okay. So k 100. So what we have to write? Constant of variation. यही धुन ने बोला है क्वेश्चन के मेन हेडिंग में. एंड इक्वेशन. सो हियर वी हैव s इंटू टी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू k. तो k हमको 100 मिला. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन ऑफ वेरिएशन. Okay, so now let's see the fourth sums. Fourth sum is given x varies. So we have to start in same pattern. X varies 1 upon x is in inverse variation with 1 upon square root of y. So therefore x varies to k upon square root of y. So therefore x into square root of y is equals to k. ये वेरिएशन को k. So k is constant. Now value of x. Value of x is 15 into square root of y. Y is how much? 9 is equals to k. So 15 into स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9. 9 3 का रूट है, राइट. 3 3 ज़ा 9. सो यहाँ पे आएगा 15 इंटू 3 इक्वल्स टू k. सो देयरफॉर k इज इक्वल्स टू 45. 15 3 ज़ा 45. सो दिस 45 इज व्हाट? कांस्टेंट ऑफ वेरिएशन and x into square root of y is equals to 45. This is what? Equation of variation. Here we come to end of question number 2. Sub question 2. Third question. The boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Now first let's try to understand this question. इस क्वेश्चन को समझते हैं पहले. यहाँ पे कुछ एप्पल्स है जिनको बॉक्स में भर के शायद ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है. सो इन्होंने क्या बोले कि अगर 24, समझे एक बॉक्स है, उस बॉक्स में अगर 24 एप्पल्स ये किए, if 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. तो इतने एप्पल्स अगर एक बॉक्स में गया तो नंबर ऑफ बॉक्स कितने लगेंगे? 27. तो बोल रहा अगर हमने 36 एप्पल भरा एक बॉक्स में तो ये कितना लगेगा? ऑब्वियसली अगर एक में जितना ज़्यादा भरेंगे तो बॉक्स कम हो जाएगा ना. बॉक्स विल गेट रिड्यूस. इफ़ वी इंक्रीज एप्पल, अगर एप्पल बढ़ रहा है तो बॉक्स कम हो जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स द सम्स इज इन इनवर्स वेरिएशन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. लेट नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स be x and number of boxes be y. So we know that this x is varies inversely to y. So therefore x varies k upon y, where k is constant. So therefore x into y, ये y वहाँ जाएगा, is equals to k. So that is x we know x is how much? 24. Okay, and y is how much? 27. Okay, so x into 27 is equals to k. So when you multiply 24 into 27, you will get 648 equals to k. So therefore k is equals to 648 constant of variation. So therefore equation क्या हुआ? X into y is equals to 648. This is what equation of variation, and we need this. हमको यही चाहिए to find out how many boxes we need. So therefore x into y is equal to 648. So x हमने क्या कंसीडर किया है? एप्पल. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे एप्पल. वी विल राइट एप्पल into y. y we don't know. 648. So therefore y equals to 648 upon 36. Now we need to do cancellation. So now see the cancellation. I can see a table of 6 both in numerator and denominator. So I will try to divide by 6 directly. 6 6 are 36. Now here 6 1s are 6. Then 4 is not divisible. I will take 0. This 4 will carry over here. 48 बन गया. So 6 8s are 48. Then again 6 1s are 6. So 6 1s are 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 6 8s are 48. So that means y is equals to 8. So therefore y is equals to 8. So what they have asked, how many boxes will be needed? So 18 boxes will be needed. Okay, so this is the required sums. Okay, fourth question, write using symbol of variation. So first question, the wavelength of sound L and its frequency f. So we have two alphabet, that is L and f, are in inverse variation. So that means they two are in inverse. L varies inversely to f, frequency f. So wavelength varies inversely to f. This is your answer. Okay. Now second one. The intensity I of light varies inversely with the square of the distance d. Now here two alphabet is I and D. So what they are saying, I varies inversely. Inversely means 1 upon. With the square, here there is square of d. So that means d square of a screen from the lamp. This is the answer for second question. Question number 5. X varies inversely to 1 upon square root y, and when x is equals to 40, then y is equals to 16. So let's start. X varies inversely to 1 upon square root y. This is given. So therefore first we will write constant. So k, instead of y we will write k. So k is constant. Therefore x into square root of y equals to k. So when x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 6, so we have to find out k constant. So 40 into square root of 16 equals to k. So therefore 40 into square root of 16 is 4. 4 का 4 4 था 16 होता है ना, तो square root of 16 4. So k. So k is equals to 4 4 is 16, 160. So this is what? Constant of variation, constant of variation. And therefore equation of variation is what? X into square root of y is equals to 160. This is equation of variation. So further in our question, what they have asked, if x is equals to 10, find y. So therefore x into square root of y equals to 160. So 10 into square root of y equals to 160. So therefore square root of y equals to 160 upon 10. ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है यहाँ आएगा तो डिवाइड. सो देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ y इक्वल्स टू 16. सो ये जो रूट है ना वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा तो वो स्क्वायर हो जाता है. सो यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस एज वेल, दैट स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ दिस साइड. ओके, जो रूट है ना वहाँ जाता है तो स्क्वायर हो जाता है. तो यू कैन से स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. सो यहाँ का रूट हट जाएगा एंड 16 का स्क्वायर 6 is 36, 12 1 carry 256. So here we come to end of question number 5. Question number 6. X varies inversely as y when x is equals to 15, then y is 10. If x equals to 20, then y. So we have to find out y. So here they have given x varies inversely to y. So therefore x varies inversely to k upon y. We know that k is constant. Then therefore further x into y is equals to k. So therefore x how much they have given? 15, and y 10 equals to k. So 150 equals to k. So therefore k is equals to 150, constant of variation. Constant of variation. So therefore x into y is equals to 150. This is equation of variation. So with the help of this, x into y equals to 150, we will find out when we have 20 and y we don't know equals to 150. So therefore y is equals to 150 upon this 20 will come here in denominator. So division, see, 0 and 0 cancel. Now 15. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. 15 minus 14, 1 remaining. Decimal 0. 2 fives are 10. So if you can't do like this, use your old method, 15 divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1. Okay, so decimal 0, 2 fives are 10. This is old method. Okay, so 7, therefore y is equals to 7.5. Here we come to end of our sums and practice set.